challenge. I'm surprised and I'm impressed. What made you do it?
I wanted to really step out of my comfort zone and really an accolade to all the EAs and PAs and the wonderful work they do. And I thought, no, I'm going to trust the challenge, and I committed to it, and I'm so grateful for being so inspired after this climb, and it was all I expected and much more. Well, our partnership with the Executive PA is to really be grateful for what our PAs and EAs do for the leaders in their industry. I'd like to think we're a leader in our industry, and I know that it's going to be a great night, superb, impeccable food service and a great ambience and a tribute to what they do for their leaders. So